Hey guys, my name is Eden and welcome to my channel. Today I want to cover the new web terminal for the Inference Gateway CLI. It changes how you interact with your agents. It gives you a full browser-based terminal interface, making it easier than ever to manage your sessions visually. You can chat with agents, execute Git commands, and explore your codebase directly from your browser tab. It fully supports remote SSH connections, so you can manage your servers from anywhere. And for privacy, you can connect to local LLMs with Ollama, making it perfect for air-gapped environments. Now watch the computer use tools in action. We connect to a remote Ubuntu machine, and the system automatically bootstraps the environment. You can see the agent taking control, opening the terminal, and executing commands just like a human user. It's true end-to-end automation. Now I'll ask it to visit my engineering blog, watch how it deterministically decides to open up the browser and visit the address I gave it. A powerful, private, and flexible way to work. If you would like more in-depth tutorial, please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics should I cover next.